Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the DLL error code, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go over to the search bar in the bottom left and go ahead and type in command prompt. Now, what the command prompt you want to do is you want to go ahead and run as an administrator. Now once the command prompt is open, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and type in the command sfc/scan now. Now, once this command is run, it's basically just going to run a scan, and once that is basically done, what you want to do is, well, that is one method of fixing the error code. The second method you guys can try doing is by simply just uninstalling the app that is causing the issue, and then just simply reinstalling it as now you can do this from settings, and once basically the app is reinstalled, the error code should be gone. Now another thing you guys can do is simply restart your PC, because that will also help fix the error code, and once you do all these methods, you guys should be good to go, and that is it. So yeah, that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.